their routes immediately. We'll see a couple weeks later on playing against the Carolina Panthers. I don't know what game plan they were studying, but they played also. And Eli Manning and the wide receiving corps with several substitutes in there. Rams and Martin, they made him look like Jerry Rice. If you want to play good defense against the Giants, you have to press the receivers on the outside, guys.
I agree, CeCe. I think the advantage goes to the defense, but it's the way they set up. Their first priority, San Francisco, is to stop the run. The Giants have not done a great job of running the football. Then they dictate down and distance to you. Once they do that, 2nd and 10, 2nd and 8, 3rd and 6 or more. Now they can tee off and rush the passer. And you saw most of these shots out. They're putting out two things. Number one, they have a bunch of...
Teach him, Benjamin. Teach the puppy. Teach that puppy. Say, who's the boss?